Hello everyone. Good morning and good afternoon in the other part of the world. Again, welcome to Anarita Reyes TV. Samahan niyo naman po ako sa aking pamasyal kasama ang aking pamilya dito sa Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. Isa ito sa pinaka-exciting na lugar na pasyalan ng mga pamilya at mga bata kasi ito malapit sa dagat. See you next time and enjoy and samahan niyo ako. So, ito yung Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. And of course, they have a roller coaster. You know? Ayan. Dito ka lang marami dito mga pasyalan, kainan, laro. Diba? Ito yung ring toad. Mahilig maglaro ng ring toad. You know? Ayan. And of course, nandito sa harap din natin yung racer. Right? Yes, I believe. Written from Santa Cruz Beach, memories made here. So, maganda. It's a beautiful experience. So, the riding. And if you, kung gusto mo matakot ka, you need to come here. The Pride Walk under the boardwalk. And meron din silang photo booths. And later, make challenge. Ang ganda pag namasyal ka, lalo pag nasa ibang lugar ka. Yan, wood racer. Yan, andubog siya. Okay. Oh, yan, wow. Hindi na ako nasanayin mag-ganyan. See? And they have a pirate ship right here. Yan, so kasi summertime na, so enjoy muna. Yan. Yan, yung mga naghihintay para sa ride nila. Yan. So, minsan sa buhay, kailangan mo rin mapamasyal sama yung mahal mo sa buhay. So, look at the ship, mag-work na yan. The pirate ship. And ang daming tao. So there's a lot of people here. Bye-bye. Punta rin dito may dagat. Ayan, siguro hindi ko yung kakayan. Mahirap yan. Yung, like a typhoon na umiikot kayo all the way upside down. Ito naman yung sa fireway. Diba? At sa mga hindi pa nakapunta to sa beautiful place na you to unwind yourself. Mahilig kasi kami sa dagat ng family. So, ito yung magandang lugar to unwind and to relax. Kailangan bumak tayo dyan. Habang tayo naglalakad dito sa boardwalk, marami tayo nakikita buying their food. Hindi ko alam ang food ang bibilin ko. Meron dito mga arcade. So, maganda. So, let's go down. So, safety first. So, itong pasyalan. Walking na sa mabuti nakasandal tayo ngayon. Right? Kasi, may rapat tayo mag-walk. So, gusto ko ipakita sa iyo. Hi, Jessery Anna! Kamusta ka dyan? Nice seeing you. So, nandito kami nag-unwind sa, alam mo, sa busy, sa buhay. Kailangan mo minsan mag-vacation. Back to vacation kami. There's 7 vacation in our year. So, look at a lot of people right here. This is Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. Is part of the Pacific Ocean going to the Philippines. Yan. Good morning, Jan. mainit. So dito yung yan. And kung kita nyo sa dulo yung meron siyang cable. Yeah, people can go from one place to other place. And then also they have first roll there. At saka meron siyang pirate shape there. At saka may roller coaster dyan sa likod. No, ang ganda. So yung mga pamilya dito nag-gather kahit wala na silang tent or canopy, but they're having fun here. Yan. So yung hotel namin dito lang malapit. So we stay in the hotel. So malapit lang dito. Mamaya ikunan ko rin siya ng ng video. So ngayon at nauna akong bumaba dito. Yung anak ko, si Jericho, hinatid niya lang ako kasi nahirapan na maghanap ng ng parkingan. So, siya yung driver ko for today. So, sabi niya, Mom, you need to go down there. You can do whatever you want, just enjoy, and then just buy food. You know, yan. This is, kasi maraming mga activities na pwede gawin dito, right? Yan, so, it's a Port World Surfing Reserve. So, sometimes nag-surfing yung mga tao din dito. Yeah. At saka maraming pwede magawa dito. At so, marami din dito naglalaro ng bowling or nagsasayawan or, you know, we have so much fun. Bata matanda man, nag-enjoy. Hi, Stephanie! Kamusta ka dyan? Miss Stephanie Lou. Yes, let's go up now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna look for food. So dito muna tayo punta sa Mini Golf Arcade. Like to buy the food. Or drink. One is the arcade. Right? Ang ganda siya. And the kids having fun playing the golf there. Naghahanap ako ng food na pwede namin kainin. A long line ang hawa ng pila. So let's go to walk to the arcade. Yeah. Maghanap muna tayo ng food. Yeah, it's good to walk and to unwind with your family to have a quick mini vacation for the Memorial Day. The celebration, you have time to off from work and spend time with your family, especially for your kids, you know. And let's see what they have there. Mga souvenirs. Parang ang price ng mga shirt niya sa kubi. Oh wow, $22. Skateboard. Alright. Then let's go find something to eat. The walk to Santa Cruz. Oh, yeah, to play volleyball. A lot of people like to play volleyball here. Ang daming tao dito. There's a lot of people right now here. You can say it's a holiday, so many people are here right now. Yeah, mostly are here. Okay. Having a picnic on the beach, so it's a good experience with your family. Kaya yun din, para you can have a mini vacation away from the very busy days. Oh, especially your weekdays, you're working a lot and spending time with your family. So nice time to spend time to have a vacation. So ngayon, punta tayo dito. I want to buy the fish chowder. So let's see what I can buy for my kid. Yeah, they have seaside fish chowder. Okay. So, I like this. We have a clam chowder, fish tacos, combo, cheaper than combo. What's what are you gonna buy here? Okay. So guys, see you later. Bili muna ako ng food ko, and while waiting in the line, it's a nice bar here. Clam chowder, fish chip, so bibili muna ako ng clam chowder at bye. See you next time, and mabuhay.